Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to hide store in Shopify. So just in order to do this, just go to the apps, and now here you have to tap the B2B private app. So just you can also get this app from Shopify App Store. So simply open the Shopify App Store and type or search for B2B app here. Just type the B2B store. So simply in order to do this you have to install this app. So just type here B2B private store. So now here you can see when you install this app, just as you can see we have installed, you have to buy the plan in order to hide store in Shopify.